Let's take a closer look at the true TUC 24 24-inch solid door undercounter refrigerator. With stainless steel front and sides and an aluminum back, this unit provides a tough rust and corrosion-resistant exterior with a sleek and modern appearance that will withstand the rigorous environment of a professional kitchen. A 12-inch recessed handle provides ergonomic operation while maintaining a tucked-away design to allow counter activity to continue without interruption. Another great feature is the unit's front breathing system, which allows it to be placed next to other hard-working equipment. Inside, 2 PVC-coated wire shelves can be adjusted up and down to suit your storage needs. Invest with confidence with the true TUC 24.